Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Lisanin ang toxic na mga sitwasyon at yakapin ang bagong landas. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet padasal. Sometimes, the path we've carefully mapped out for ourselves gets completely derailed and it can feel like a setback. But as the story of Joseph shows, a detour isn't always a mistake. Sometimes, it's a necessary step towards safety and well being. Joseph's original plan was to return to his home, but when he realized the new ruler was a threat, he courageously changed course and rerouted his family to Nazareth. This decision is a powerful reminder that it takes both wisdom and courage to leave a harmful situation, whether it's a toxic friendship, an unhealthy environment, or a plan that no longer serves you. It can feel scary to step into the unknown, but the most courageous thing you can do is to be adaptable and prioritize your well being, trusting that your true path to purpose may look different than you ever imagined. Manalangin po tayo. Mahal na Panginoon, nawa ipagkaloob mo sa amin ang karunungan upang makilala ang panganib at maging matapang upang baguhin ang aming buhay. Amen.